Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best carving chainsaw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best carving chainsaw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT 20V Max XR chainsaw. This cordless chainsaw kit adds versatility to your battery system. Gas-free operation eliminates the cold starts, fumes, carburetor issues, and maintenance involved with gas-powered chainsaws. Use it to cut beams, do demolition work, and manage tree limbs. This battery-operated chainsaw is built to handle tough construction and outdoor work. The lightweight design maximizes user control. Its brushless motor technology delivers extreme runtime and long motor life. Kit includes a 5.0 Ah 20V max battery, charger, and a hard bar cover. A full powerhouse chainsaw machine that comes with an incredible 40V lithium-ion battery to provide a reliable source of constant power. These batteries run a brushless motor that is attached to a 16 inches bar and chain to provide remarkable cutting performance. A chain brake is provided for you to have kickback protection due to mechanical failure, and a low kickback position is ensured for fast and smooth chainsaw performance. This machine also comes with a bar tightening knob, and adjusting the chain tensions won't require any mechanical tools. For details, let's watch more. Our second best carving chainsaw is Black & Decker 20V Max Cordless Chainsaw. This 10-inch cordless chainsaw kit to help you cut through thick tree branches, logs, and more. Its low kickback design and tool-free chain tensioning system mean you'll be making smooth, fast cuts without needing extra tools for chain adjustments. This battery-operated chainsaw is also equipped with a built-in oiling system to keep the bar and chain lubricated and a wraparound bail handle to keep you comfortable. For chain tensioning needs, you can conveniently adjust with your hands without deploying any tools. It is a cordless machine with a 20V reliable battery, and it can be conveniently changed over a period of time. You also aren't getting into much hassle for the machine oiling needs, as this comes with a convenient oiling system for both chain and the bar. With a weight of only 7.2 pounds, you can have great maneuverability while roaming around your home garden cutting out unnecessary wood and other materials. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is EcoPower CS1401 Cordless Chainsaw. The CS1401 features a low kickback design with a chain brake, tension adjustment, and a high-efficiency brushless motor. The battery can handle roughly 100 cuts on a single charge, and the battery recharges reasonably quickly. The tool is powerful enough to cut through limbs up to a foot thick, not too shabby for a battery model. While most battery-powered tools are best suited for quick, light-duty jobs, the EcoPower Plus CS1401 is ready and willing to do more. A 56V lithium-ion battery powers its 6,300 revolutions per minute motor, and it has a 14-inch bar. Experts give it top marks for ease of use, handling, and cutting speed. The 14-inch bar and chain, combined with a high-efficiency brushless motor, provides effortlessly smooth cuts. The brushless motor extends both the life of the tool and the run time. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is WORX 16-inch electric chainsaw. If you're okay with a power cord, it's hard to beat the WORX WG303, especially at its budget-friendly price. This electric chainsaw has a 16.5-inch bar and a 14.5 amp motor. Experts give it top marks in all essential categories, including cutting speed, ease of use, and handling. The powerful 16-inch 14.5 amp electric chainsaw is packed with modern conveniences that make it easy to use. The auto tensioning and auto lubrication systems make sure this saw is always in peak operating condition. These features provide the user with a perfectly tightened and well-oiled chain, which not only significantly increases the cutting efficiency, but also extends the life of the tool. And the built-in oil tank has a window, so you can see just how much oil you have left. The chain brake shuts the chain down quickly when you need it to. The metal spike bumper grabs into the wood so you have a safer, smoother cut. And the specially designed full wrap front handle and rear rubber grip give you options to find a comfortable hand hold. Last in our best carving chainsaw list is Greenworks 16-inch cordless chainsaw. The Greenworks cordless chainsaw provides a lot of bite for its buck and long life between battery charges. It slices through thick stumps with a brushless motor that has significant torque and power. Once the electric start brings it to life, the saw provides 30% more torque than other cordless saws of its caliber. With less twisting and turning, the saw gets less wear and tear and will last through more seasons. An automatic oiler also prolongs the life of the chain and blade. The Greenworks has a longer running time than other cordless saws on the market, so you won't have to stop for a recharge before you're finished. The rattle on this big handheld saw is lower than its counterparts, with up to 70% less vibration. That means less fatigue during the job. Perfect for homeowners that need to tackle yard projects or storm cleanup.